9305 Magic Flower. This is the second walkthrough that I've done to check the repairs. So I'm going to go through the list with you. I'm going to start here at this door. When you were here, you saw it appears to be a new door, but there's definitely no fogging. And windows, I'll go back to that. Windows are upstairs. Garage door, we'll definitely get a quote on that. I'll take you to see the vegetation. It has been pruned back from the roof. Right here. So it's not touching. The inspection report noted that there was a leak at the anti-siphon valve. When there's a leak, you generally see the water present. I'm not seeing anything here. It appears to be dry, but we can definitely have John take a look at it. This roof tile is still slipped. I talked to the seller about it, and they said they already had a roofer come out. So I don't know if they had fixed the other issues or not, but here's the other anti-siphon valve. In the inspection report, Ron was saying installation is missing. Very, very easy to do. So we can have John quote that as well. So next we have downstairs hall bathroom. I'll take you there. I left the water running for a while. I don't like wasting water, but of course I want you to see that the leak is not present. It's all dry in here. This appears to be new. So that appears to be taken care of. Oh, and so this door now shuts according to code. Okay. We'll start with the water since it's running. As you can see, it's been corrected. There's no leak. Okay. New tub. This does not rub. Now, I'll head out. Oh, the window has been corrected. It's no longer foggy. This is still a hot outlet, so we'll address that. Oh, we need that. If you could see in the video, only one of the two yellow lights were lit. That's indicating it is an open ground. I also wanted to show you both are lit, so this one works correctly, and the GFCI is installed. So you can install a safety barrier in the landing if you like. There are no permits. When we have when we have John's people examine the roof, we'll have them take a look at the skylight as well. When you were here, you could feel the HVAC appeared to be working. It still does. So that's it.